Welcome to Fly Over the Map. Today, we find ourselves in the USA. Today's location we find in Daphne. We are flying over the Lake Forest Golf Club today. Welcome to Daphne, Alabama, where we're flying over Lake Forest Golf Club today. This championship course, designed by renowned architect Earl Stone, stretches across a picturesque landscape, offering a challenging yet enjoyable experience for golfers of all levels. The layout features rolling fairways lined with Bermuda grass, complemented by champion Bermuda greens that provide a smooth putting surface. With multiple tee options, the course caters to both beginners and seasoned players, featuring long par 4s and reachable par 5s that test strategy and skill. The terrain includes natural elevation changes, adding excitement to every round, while a variety of hazards like bunkers and water features enhance its appeal. The club boasts a spacious practice area with a driving range, putting green, and chipping area, perfect for honing skills. Surrounded by the serene beauty of Daphne's wooded hills, it offers a tranquil escape for golf enthusiasts. The clubhouse adds to the experience with its welcoming ambience, making it a favorite spot for players to gather. Lake Forest Golf Club stands as a testament to the area's love for the game. We look forward to welcoming you on board again next time for Fly Over the Map. If you enjoyed the video, please leave us a like or comment.